Hey, what's going on YouTube? Rob Parker's Fishing World, back again with another video. I'll tell you guys we're over here at these Chatfield gravel ponds. We're just going to be using chartreuse worms, try to catch some bass and stuff. Using my Pinnacle shooter rod, 5/6 medium. I actually haven't used this very much in videos with my Daiwa Sweet Fire on there with the 6-pound line, using some chartreuse worms. So let's get down here and see what we can catch. Come along with me, guys.
Yeah, let me see if I can get this bass right here on a chartreuse worm. See a couple of them. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see because I'm in these trees and one's looking at it. He's after it. It's a little one. The little one got it. Little baby one got it. Get up here. First little bass of the day. A little baby one. There's a couple more right here. Pick a few of these off on this chartreuse worm. Just a little baby bass. See you later, dude. Stay over there away from where all these are. I can get another one. 2 or 3 of them right here. The little one's gonna eat it off the bottom. He pecked at it. He got it. Oh, I missed him. See a little bit bigger one out there. Hopefully you guys can see them all in these trees. Spooked them somehow. The little one's looking at it on the bottom. I spooked him. One looking at it. One's got it. One had it. Bigger one got it. Nice. Get up here. Get up here. Oh, get out of those trees. Nice. Get up here. Nice. All right. Well, bass number 2. A little bit bigger. On chartreuse worm. Hang on, dude. A little bit better. Hopefully you guys can see. Like I say, I'm all in these bushes and the sun's going down. Just give him a little toss. See you later, dude. Can't really get down by the water. And cast a little bit further out. I'll move spots very soon. Keep moving on down. Yeah, let's keep moving. Spooked them. They're so spooky. See if I can get this one right here in front of me. He's literally right in front of me. Got it. Nice. Sight fish that one. Another one with chartreuse worm. Hang on, dude. Just another little baby bass. See you later. He's got it. Got him that time. Missed him 3 times. Another little bass. Bunch of little bass. Oh, quick release. He's right here. Going up under the log. There he went. He's down this hill right here. Try not to spook anything that's right here. I can help it. Nice one. This one helps to sneak down. Nice little bass. Pretty nice little bass on a chartreuse worm. Get a better release in him here. Let's see what I can do. All right, see if we can catch a few more before we gotta go. He was just running with it. Another little bass. Hold on, dude. Chill out. Dink fest. Hold on, dude. Hang on, another little bass. Little baby bass has got it. Lost him. Got him. I think that's the same one I just missed. Another little baby bass. Hang on, dude. Hang on, bro. Hang on, bro. Another little baby bass. Get down here, dude. Another little one. So many little bass in here. Hang on, dude. Hang on, dude. Hang on, dude. So many little bass in here. Look at that.
Well, guys, we're just going to go ahead and get out of here today. It ended up getting dark on me. But all in all, I had a pretty good day of fishing. My pinnacle rod worked pretty good. I brought my other rod, but I didn't even use it. Caught probably 20 bass, something like that. Didn't throw them all in the video. But I hope you guys liked the video. Way more videos are coming. New videos every Saturday afternoon. It's been Rob Parker's Fishing World. Peace.